What's that?
I was looking for a movie to watch.
It's another oyster thing or whatever.
Maybe.
I don't know. It ain't a crawfish. See?
It's an oyster.
Ooh.
We don't like oysters. Hey guys, I'm back with another mukbang. Today we have fried shrimp and rice. And, oh yeah, this is my husband. His name's Ruben. I told him if we had 30 subscribers or more that he was going to get in a video with me, so here he is. He got fish with shrimp, and I don't know what those little guys are, and french fries. Came off my hand. But anyways, so yeah, he's just going to eat with us.
I forgot what those are called.
Crawfish.
Yeah, there you go.
They messed up on his order, and they said we could take it back, but he was like, nah, it's alright. But the lady wanted him to take back the box, I guess, just to throw it away, show proof that you bought it. I don't know. That's crazy. You both are soda food.
Hey, what? You can't even see mine.
I know, that's why I moved it. I didn't know if you were going to put it on.
No. I can't eat way up there like that.
Look at the salad. He also got a salad with no dressing. He don't like dressing on his salad.
I'll show him my salad, babe.
I'm gonna show him. And mine also came with one egg roll and peanut sauce or peanut oil or whatever it's called. This stuff is good. I like the way it tastes. The
What?
oil.
Oil.
Yeah. And the peanut oil.
Give me one little tomato.
That's it.
And salt.
What? You want one more?
Nah.
Theirs tastes. Their egg rolls taste better than the ones I got the other day.
From out there?
That feels good then.
I don't know what that dog barking at.
Sorry about that. Dog keeps on barking. It's like she knows whenever I'm recording. So it's like she has to make herself known to us. She's like, hey, I'm back here. Don't forget about me. Actually, this is a lot of rice. I tried making me some fried rice the other day, and it didn't come out.
It didn't come out.
No.
Johnny was saying that chicken fried rice they have there tastes pretty good.
Chicken fried rice?
Yeah, I think that's what he called it.
I don't think I've tried the chicken.
Or maybe it was some other kind of rice with chicken.
Maybe it probably like this one.
Yeah. Said it was like $11 or something.
Yeah, Ruby.
I was like, maybe I'll try it next time. I said I don't like to change it up.
No. He don't like new stuff. He likes everything to be the same. If I change something up, he'll be like, you know I don't like that kind of stuff. So, pretty much it's the same thing, but I doctor it up a little sometimes, make it better. Just try to make ways to make it a lot better than what it was. What it is. She would make it again.
That collar's messing up, I guess. No, you're not getting a new one.
Writing. My dog's collar is messing up. I think I have her old one somewhere. I think in the drawer right there.
I don't know. Probably.
My husband's not used to having the food up high, so he has his down lower. But I showed you what it had. So, it's a good thing. You got to see what he's eating.
Yep. With the shrimp.
I can't believe they messed up.
When I picked it up, she said it was seafood platter. I was like, yeah. I didn't ask her what they had on it.
Yeah. It was, that lady told me, yeah, exactly. That's what you're going to get. And I'm like, okay.
Oh, well. That crab don't even look good.
Looks kind of fine. He got a crab in his food too. And it doesn't look.
No, it's over there, right?
Yeah. It doesn't look like it's edible. I've never ate crab. He hasn't ate crab. He's never ate crab. These tomatoes are maybe
soggy,
from the heat
right?
or something. I don't know. Something.
Towards the end of the day. Probably been out all day.
Yeah. You never know.
What's that?
I was looking for a movie to watch.
It's another oyster thing or whatever.
Maybe.
I don't know. It ain't a crawfish. See?
It's an oyster.
Ooh.
We don't like oysters. Telling you, the lady messed up on the order. I told her exactly what I wanted. I wanted the fish and the shrimp. And she's like, okay, no ma'am, no problem, ma'am, you know, and your salad. And then she was like, oh yeah, oysters. And I was like, it don't come with oysters. And she goes, yes ma'am, it comes with oysters. And I was like, maybe they changed it, thinking that they changed up the order, the menu.
You can tell them what you want, substitute them.
That's what I did.
Yeah, but I'm saying.
I told her I wanted more shrimp
Because
instead
it's
of
supposed
them.
to be the two fish.
Yeah. Well,
there, no more. That's enough.
actually, the place is called Bayside. You know, people are going to ask. You're going to ask in the comments what the restaurant is. It's called Bayside, and the person that took the order, she did not take the order right. I told her exactly what I wanted, and it wasn't what we wanted.
They have good food.
Yeah. Yeah. You can't have shrimp, Daddy. No shrimp. They actually have good food. It's just, I guess, it was that person's night that it was already the end of, I mean, they would be closing in a little bit, so maybe she's already tired and she's ready to get off and wasn't paying attention, or maybe she had like a lot of people. I don't know. Maybe just one of those nights and got the order wrong. I'm telling you, if we were there, I bet you it wouldn't have happened. Because you have the menu right there in front of you. And you just tell them, hey, this is what I want. You see it? Little shrimps. You want one?
No, babe.
So yeah, 30 plus subscribers right now, and hopefully if I get more subscribers, let's say, let's try to get to 100, and he'll do another one with me. 100 subscribers and he'll eat again on here again.
Yep, camera shy.
He's camera shy, but hey, at least he's on here, right? He's talking a little bit. So, I mean, it's a good thing. Oh, I did.
Oh, I was looking for a movie earlier too, but I got sidetracked at work.
Yeah, I was looking for one too, but I was like, wait till you get home to see if you found anything. Where is it at? Excuse me. I want to give a shout out to the Diva Show. Thank you for your comment. It was really nice. I really appreciate it. And where's the other one? There was 2 of them that I saw on here.
Oh.
Excuse me. Oh, and Oscar for always commenting on all of my videos. Thanks. You're awesome. Hopefully I get more subscribers soon. Hopefully I won't be in the batch of that monetizing, and I do my own thing. I mean, I'm not here for the money. I'm not here for to get rich off of anything. I just like making videos. I mean, I'm going to start doing some cooking videos. My husband's going to try to set up something where I can record my food when I'm cooking and stuff. So, I mean, it's not just for that. I just like recording. I like talking. I like talking to y'all. So, I mean, there'll be a lot more videos to come. I mean, you have to start somewhere. You start at the bottom and you rise to the top. And I'm not a follower. I'm a leader, and I do my own thing. So, and as if y'all can see, my husband is finished eating. He eats fast. He eats faster than me, but I talk a lot more than I eat. I mean, I eat all my food, but I talk a lot more. But anyways, I want to thank him for coming on and at least eating with me and at least sitting here with me. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Have a good night.
See? So, my husband came on. So now, if we can get at least 100 subscribers. Actually, I want 1,000 subscribers. But you know, you have to go through the stages of getting people to start watching your videos. Start seeing, you know, how you do on your videos and everything. I was surprised that my husband even came on here to do the videos. It was kind of shocking because he always told me, I'm not going to go on there. I'm not going to do the videos. But actually, You know, he surprised me because he was like, if you get 30 subscribers, I'll get on there. And I was like, yeah. I was all excited. There's a lot of rice. So guys, if y'all want my husband on here again, please tell your friends, share my videos, let him know to subscribe to my channel so he can come on here again. Every time I hit a milestone or a number that I want to be set at where he can come on again, you know, I wanna do that. So I'll be like 100 people, you know, 100 subscribers, and then 200, you know, and we'll just keep on going. And every time I get to that milestone, he'll come on and he'll do a video with me. I'm sure he'll be more comfortable once he does it more and more. But it's up to you guys now. I hope y'all can help me out. This is so good. I mean, oh yeah. Oh yeah. What I was saying, I did try making my own fried rice. First time ever. Complete fail. But you have to try and you have to learn how to do something before, you know, practice makes perfect. So I'm not just going to stop doing it just because I messed up one time. I mean, I messed up one time. All I have to do is just get back up and do it again. Or have somebody show me how to do it. But the guy in the cafeteria where I work at, oh my God, I always see him making his fried rice. And he makes it in one of those, it's like a big old bowl that he puts on the fire. Like a big old monster bowl. And he has his flat spatula. And he's just like going like this with all that rice. I mean, that thing is like this. A big old bowl of just rice. Just flipping it, flipping it. I was like, man, I wish I can be like him. I wish I can learn how to do rice just like him. That would be awesome. That would be so awesome. How many of y'all like lemon? Sorry guys, it was sour. I love lemon, but that's sour. I like this thing I'm wearing. I think I'm gonna start wearing it more often. Look how that sauce looks in it. Yummy. have a lot. I'm sure with my kids. I can't eat all this. And sometimes, some food, different kinds of food, if you leave it overnight in the fridge, it like has a different taste. Beagle. It has like a different taste. It doesn't taste the same the next day, just certain types of food. And this one right here, I don't like leaving it overnight in the fridge because, I don't know, it's like, tastes way different. Oh, good boy. I have to throw it right there in front of them just so they can eat it. Because they won't eat it off the spoon. I'm using the spoon so I can just get the rice, not the shrimp. Because they can't eat the shrimp. This right here is like, it's just for one person. It's not, it's like a 2-person plate. One person. The other day, I forgot I left my phone unlocked. And one of my coworkers went and she went on my Snapchat because I left it open. I completely forgot about it. I walk away. And she's like, Jessica doesn't know I'm on her Snapchat or something like that. Or I'm on Jessica's Snapchat and she's in the restroom or something like that. I was like, oh my god. And at first I thought she was lying. And she's like, don't forget to look at your Snapchat. I left you something. And I'm like, you get it. Yeah, right. I left work and got to the store. And I was like, you know what? She said she left something on there. Let me look. Thinking that she was lying? No. She actually did leave something on there. She left what I just said. I was like, are you serious? I feel bad that they messed up on my husband's plate. He didn't get what he wanted. Or he did. I mean, he got a fish and he got shrimp, but he just wanted fish and shrimp, not no crab or crawfish or oysters. I swear, that dog can bark 24 hours if she wanted to. This is too much for me to finish. Just gonna eat what I can. Look at that, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat what I can. Would have been cool if I had chopsticks, huh? And I did use a plastic fork, so it wouldn't make all that noise with the plate. You know, rice fills you up. I'm full. Real full. Sorry, guys. Rice makes me burp a lot. Or actually the broccoli and the cucumbers. They're what makes me burp. Anyways, guys, I'm full. This is a lot of rice. I want to thank my husband for coming out, sitting with me for a little while, and doing the video with me. I want to thank y'all for following me, subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope I get a lot more. And remember, if I get 100, he said he'll come on here again. And then after the 100, we'll set another milestone for him to come on here again. Until then, I hope y'all like my video. Subscribe if y'all haven't already. Don't forget to hit that little bell so y'all can get my notifications when I post a video. And, sorry about that. Don't forget to share my videos. And I hope you're having a good morning, good night, good evening, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. And until then, until my next video, bye.